dancehall DJing and performance as an artist.
Alkaline.
Alkaline hideout dancehall, man. We are talking about man with
Alkaline push a
present
foot
and
at
current that.
Now we not talking about that. Come on, understand.
Alkaline them hideout dancehall.
Bro, we are talking about. We don't understand who should be at that. You attack that clash, you attack just dancehall overall.
No, man.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
People are going, you know. You don't know Media Fox now. People, I go play live. And you go realize, say, yo, enough of them Gaza man, yeah, them not real. You have a real Gaza fans, you know. But enough of them not real. You see it? And through maybe Cartel, drop a song them where them want like the gun song and so, them ready for switch up and start repping crooks. You understand? Enough of them are jumping at different people wagon and all of them look at thing there. You see me see one Kevin forward out. Enough of them, you go see more and more, man. You go see it. You see me? But them attack something about Masicka dog and a big war again. Masicka versus the Gaza thing. Them even call up Alkaline I think and I say, watch out, I'm not fooling. Bro, Alka doesn't do him thing when I be a cat fighting. I'm telling you, I can be a corner league reason I go on people, may I tell you, but you have to listen to what I go on. Come here, tell you people, yo, the crux them, you know. The crux them delusional, you know. The man them delude. That's why Masicka, you see the hype with them hype up Masicka is like when them left him for him go there in the world, him flap dog, may I tell you. Because when they perform them song where them say a hit, it come like nothing dog. But people not have to listen to this. You understand? Let's listen with them, yo, Jano, them mad bunny, I say.
At the age of 33. The dog at 33, right?
Yeah, something like that.
All right. Cartel and the dog was two bad artists at the same age, correct?
No, Cartel bad on him.
When Cartel at 30, Cartel deal with dancehall.
Now when Carter at 32, Carter run dancehall, brother.
And I do the work where my reap the benefit. No, at them time them I do the work at that age. Him now settle down and say I'm the king. Them time them
hold on. Let me make this clear. Carter boss with him at the reason why people don't understand how I choose not see the age gap and I say why him so close to killing them and so. Him boss late, you know. Carter boss with him at 28. 27, I got 28. Then, by the time Cartel reach 32, Cartel already have billboard song on him sitting there, brother. Now, who that man? By the time Cartel reach, Masicka is Cartel control dancehall already, you know.
Look, mom.
I will fall background.
From them time that the body work, the foundation and them thing that I set, brethren, well solid and seal now. Where dog up on the top and reap the benefit.
Yeah, when Masicka
foundation yet, brother.
He might run dancehall already, dog. Run it for himself. Have it in your hand.
I'm not go agree with you, dog. Dog a bad artist, dog.
Dog, you shouldn't do that, brother. You shouldn't do that. Some idiot argument that you know. Who is saying don't bad? Wanna stop that,
like a dog. One answer like a dog, nah run dancehall or never run dancehall. That's what I'm saying.
You know run dancehall
apart from Cartel. Well I know apart from Cartel right now. Who there can deal with that?
Nobody.
All right.
No, what you mean apart from Cartel, who there can deal with dancehall?
No. Who there can mash up Masicka right now?
Can mash up Masicka? What you talking about that? You know what? You have to be
in a dancehall DJing and performance as an artist.
Alkaline
hideout dancehall, man. We are talking about man with
Alkaline push a foot at
current
that.
Now we not talking about that. Come on, understand.
Alkaline them hideout dancehall.
Bro, we are talking about. We don't understand who should be at that. You attack that clash. You attack just dancehall overall.
No, man, not clash business, man. We are talking about as an artist.
Oh, Skilly Bang. No, people, brother. Skilly Bang.
Which Skilly Bang, man?
Valiant, brother.
Valiant promising to you know.
Yo.
Valiant promising, but Valiant now short like Masicka.
No, man, Valiant is very
promising, brother. That's why we are still share opinion, you know, brother. So maybe I learn something tonight about.
No, man, Valiant is very promising.
No, me not say that. Me not say
You have
that.
to remember, say everything where the man him say opinionated, you know. Buju give him opinion, you give opinion, everybody give them opinion.
Family are shit. That's why
You just that the man them want for them opinion to be
family. That's why I'm saying I share opinions. Cause none
all right. You can name where Masicka do right now. We so better than everybody else. So everybody just name when do when nobody not do it. I name when do where him alone I do it.
What do you mean?
All right.
Stand out.
Name what set Masicka apart from everybody else. Go on.
Good tune. Good tune. The dog have a consistent role. A good tune.
The man have a good body of work.
Yeah, man. Dog have a good body of work, man.
Hold on. Are you alone have good body of work?
No, but them Valiant them not consistent like a dog, brother. I could talk the truth, no, man.
Dog gonna stop that, brother.
I don't want to Polycamis go on with the youth, them, man.
Him have enough song with
like Skipper in a Jamaican.
Brother, you say enough time. Alright, so what you want to say?
How can I disrespect that you're going with, man?
But a fact, and a opinion that that Skipper trend more and the man a trend on the chart.
Trend?
Bro, you see
one second, bad bro.
I will if a man a trend go nowhere at all, brother.
Alright,
Believe me. You know what?
But that a Masicka claim to fame, brother. Masicka not have no impact. Name Masicka impact then, no?
And
if you not going to turn out
this
style,
thing,
that mean Masicka.
bro, hold on, brother. This thing won't everything here.
Only for tune, man.
Brother, the last time we checking everything here, we not call it song, you know, brother. But think gonna confuse hot song with it song, you know.
God's our world. Circle there real quick there. Circle back in 1 minute.
Then I gotta ask you a question.
DJ, where there?
Yeah, Reggie, before you said that.
I think gonna confuse.
No, what bossy last hit song?
Oh.
What Cartel last hit song?
Brother, Cartel in this conversation.
Hold on, no Billy G, man.
Hold on, because members say comparison you want to go with Cartel now.
No, we're not going to comparison.
Hold on, brother. If you start, don't ball. Brother, hold on.
You say hot tune and hit tune. So we are trying a match me and do right now, brother. We want to have the right understanding.
Yeah. So what you say now?
Me want to know what was Cartel's latest or last hit song.
God is the greatest.
Hit song.
God is the greatest.
That's a hit song, brother.
All right, but don't talk.
That's a nice song.
It's all right.
That's a nice song.
White is a hit song.
Me no one reason with idiot then. It's all right.
White is a hit song.
If God is the greatest is a hit song. That means all the Masicka tune them a hit song.
That's madman.
Real.
That mean the last 5 songs we Masicka do a hit song. Masicka no do no hit song, brother. So song if you make it to Billboard and Grammy nominated for yourself.
Bro, you know, sometimes I tell them read that it's like true everybody have a smartphone.
And me and you are raised.
No.
And me and you are raised.
Bro, you see,
me and you are raised. I ask you what about the last
as when me say.
And you say God is the greatest.
Bro, you see, sometimes as when me say.
Big circle with that, like what you
ask you. Let me ask you. All the Masicka song them when do since here I hit last year.
A few of them.
DJ, you know, more time when the man them attack.
Bro, White from 2024. Last year, me say.
God's uncle, you say, God's the greatest a hit song.
Bro, what I mean, me and the man attack, can't talk to you one time.
Me not have the research at hand to get the name of the tune them. But I will if I tune the dog have.
Brother, name the one if I tune them, no?
Command dog.
Me remember them
note for note, man. But me ask you a question.
Bro, remember Cartel I heard.
Listen up. Remember Cartel I heard generally.
No,
we just to you said. Give me Cartel latest or
bro, you are different. Somebody in a sense about me. Just ask you, what is him? Name the hits on them.
That's the uncle. You're not answering the question.
Hold on, Reggie. What me the ask? What you define as a hit?
All right.
How you define a hit?
If God is the greatest, is a hit, boy. Me have got
1 second, the big.
Brother, me telling the man it's on me, I ask you, fiend it's on them. Don't question, answer question. Tell me it's on them.
Still there.
Rich sex whites.
Reggie, I mean, Reggie,
bro, whites are from 2024. Whites are from 2024.
How you would define a hit?
Whites are from, name the hit song them first, and then I answer. Name the hit song them.
God's uncle, yeah, dodgy argument.
No, man, name the Masicka hit
Yeah,
song.
man, yeah, dodge.
Brother,
Dodgy
name the hit
argument.
song
What
them,
could you do with
brother.
it? What could you do with it?
Rich sex.
Masicka last hit song when me know.
All right,
Masicka last hit song when me know are whites.
Whites are from 2024.
Yes, that not nothing to do with it, but me I say, give me cartel.
Riggs, where you there?
This your last hit song.
Rich
Give me
sex.
cartel last hit song.
Brother, make somebody else talk. Uno one Masicka, brother. Can be full shatter.
Brother, me say, give me cartel last hit song.
Yo.
That me ask
Yeah,
you.
man, rich sex, man.
I mean, I ask a question, you know.
Song. What else?
Me not consider that as a hit yet.
Newton hit song.
Right, man.
Yeah, that me not consider
Dog,
that as
me
a
don't know
hit
what
yet.
not, brother. That's something I won't not do, you know, brother. That's something I won't
No,
not
you're
do.
not do nothing. I know you're not answer my question, brother.
Bro, listen to what me
Give
say,
me
brother.
cartel. Me say, give me
Brother,
cartel.
keys, somebody
latest
write
hit
keys.
song.
Keys are not hit song, dog. Hot song them there.
Rich sex is not a hit song.
It's a song of a stand the test of time, brother. First.
So, but you just said God is the greatest.
Hold on. Because majority of them song they already start boil down. Me think we now mistake a lot of things we are going, you know. All right, you remember when you dropped the album first and everybody say everything off fight at it? You still believe that today?
Which one?
The album still, the album, people still buy the album.
No, brother,
Which
people
album?
still buy Cartel album.
The album chart.
Which album?
People still buy Cartel album.
So
Which album?
I ask you. When the song them is just bust and then forward out. So you believe that them are it same way like on them?
Just the other day, Terrence.
Which album? Which album? Which one?
438.
Which album cartel have we hit, man? Where
438. Yeah, me still.
Hold on. You say which album cartel have it and I sell?
No, man. Right now. I'm latest body of work or whatever. Go on, right now.
Me can't them reason me can't bother with that. I be a fool not that.
Yo, me think 438 are still hits album.
Brother, the thing.
Alright, so hold on. Wait a second. All I said about 438 a hit song.
No, me two album them me me think it two album them are still hit album.
Alright, and hold on, brother. The song them a play now.
Of course.
The song I play now in a dance now. Who sang off for 48? You
No, me not. Well, me hardly go dance. So me could
no, who don't lie to yourself.
I'm still
no, me hardly go dance. But watch out now. If me there round my nigga them and when they have full wave spot, then song they still a play. Up to what they dog them a play back. Well, I know. Up to what they dog them a play back the album. And then some go back and listen to that song them.
Oh, okay.
Watch out now. The Stefan dance song still get played. Suicide Note still get played. King still get played.
Nobody now.
No, big
lie.
man.
And people boom when films like that don't play. They do lie.
Boom Boom is just one selector.
That now play no dance. To lie, dog.
I know you're on the
Gaza uncle. Where you try to
Don't fight over the thing.
Masicka now playing a dance. That you try to say.
Yeah, joke.
Hey, one thing you don't need a brother.
I said that really.
No,
he said that album.
Different thing to you.
No, DJ, I ask the dog a question, you know.
But me never said that, brother.
No, me never say you said that. Me just
no,
ask
you never said that, dog.
Me never say you said that. Me ask you where you say. Coming up, the argument missed me a while ago. The argument missed me a while ago, Gaza uncle. So me try to get your understanding of where you say. Me mind about him. Me's a man for the culture, you know, my brother. Me know, you understand? Me no rate. No. And I put on the artist, you know, my style, that you know. We are repping culture. We are repping culture.
Yeah, you don't know culture, man. You don't like cartel, man.
Yes, sister, me never know Masicka sang them like that. But me just rate it that. Cartel are my artist. Gaza uncle, you know big Gaza fans are me that.
No, I'm not Gaza fan. Cartel is not your artist.
No, Cartel are not my artist, no. Early 2000, late 2000, Cartel are my artist. But no right now. Cartel a big man, you know. Cartel now show about the work where we used to keckle up the plates for. You understand?
They are listen to the gun tune and the bagman tune them.
Yeah. Cartel now kick up the place like how. Like what we used to.
Bro, Cartel now take up no, brother. Cartel now take up no place.
AJ.
All right. Hold on. A Cartel is still the headliner for sure everywhere him go. You know, take up no place.
There's no doubt about that, my brother. Cartel put in.
All right, so for one to Masicka with the hit song them.
Hold on, family.
Nobody no want to see you with the hit song.
Listen, family.
Nobody no want to see you with the hit song them then.
Listen, family, man.
Remember
Cartel, listen, man. Remember Cartel put in one of the greatest body I work in a dancehall. Nobody can dispute that.
Oh, nobody no want to see you with the hit song. And that one ask, you know.
One I wish hit song.
You know, say Masicka be all like hit song, but nobody now book him then. And all now headline they show them then.
Me no know enough.
Okay.
Because I'm a big man. Because uncle me and Cartel I see him here tonight. Yesterday me a 15. I'm a big man. You know. You understand? I know the dog from 1996. So I know I feel like last night me at cigars or whatever I would have say. I rate the dog a long time. You get what me I say?
LJ.
Yeah, hold on, let's boss. Want to say something.
From a dog I say Adivant and I rate the dog.
Hold on, there is you. I want to say what these guys, what the guys are from them now accept. That Cartel is running the place off of nostalgia. He's not running the place in the streets. He's not.
No, in my opinion, you know, that
statement is
Lex Boss. My honest opinion right now. I'm going to my honest opinion.
I want to say something before you give me an opinion.
Cartel stuff is ground.
I want to say something.